Why Virat Kohli earn 3.62 crore rupees per post on Instagram? Why? By just one post on Instagram, Virat Kohli earn 3.62 crore rupees per post. Why? Due to personal branding. Virat Kohli has a personal brand. Virat Kohli is a brand name. You can say that. Just because of his personal branding, he able to earn almost 6 crore rupees in two posts. That is 3.62 crore rupees per post on Instagram. Like Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma do the same, Rohit Sharma do the same, Ranveer Singh, Deepika Padukone, they earn for post on Instagram, per post they earn crore rupees. Why? Just because of personal branding. Because they know the importance of personal branding. We are living in a digital world, and in this digital world we need to give importance to the personal branding. Good afternoon everyone. I am Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer at Winsome Express. Working at design engineer Winsome Express. So today I am going to talk about personal branding. That what is personal branding, why personal branding, how personal branding, and what is the need of personal branding. So what is personal branding? When you know a person just by his name, his fame, his photo, no matter where he or she is standing, but you know her by his face or name, that is personal branding. When you know someone by his voice, by his face, by his videos, audios, post, you don't need to recognize him or her. That is personal branding. Virat Kohli is a personal brand. Sachin Tendulkar is a personal brand. Narendra Modi ji is a personal brand. Deepika Padukone is a personal brand. They focus on a personal brand, and just because of these things, they earn on Facebook, on Instagram per post. Personal branding in nowadays very important because we are living in a digital world, and digital world means internet, and the people who are accessing internet nowadays, they need to be not just time pass on the internet, they need to utilize that time by using internet. They need to earn money by using internet. And how they can earn money? By creating personal brand for themselves, by creating name for themselves, by creating videos for themselves. Once you start recognized by the people, you are creating your own personal brand. Once you start creating your personal brand, people will know you, people will follow you, people will recognize you. Once you start creating your personal brand, your credibility increased. The possibility that people will more follow you will increase. So you got to know what is personal brand. So now I am going to tell you that what is the benefit of personal brand. You get knowledge, you get attention, you get recognition, you got credibility, you got an authorized position in a society. You know the importance of growth by using personal brand. You create a fan base for yourself. You increase follower base for yourself on social media. And in this digital world, we all need to know that more the people know us, more we can generate revenue for all of us. If I am talking about myself, that more the people know Ankit Sharma who is, the more I generate the revenue for myself. So nowadays personal branding is very vital for us if we are living in a digital world. And due to this corona epidemic, we need to work online, and if we are going online, when we need to the importance of personal branding. So you know the importance of personal branding. You get knowledge, you get recognition, you got credibility, you got authority positions, you know the fan base, you can increase your fan base, you can increase followers. Now the question is, why personal branding? That why we need to do personal branding for us? Because it create attention. If I do personal branding for Ankit Sharma, then more and more people will know who is Ankit Sharma and what he will do, what he is doing. So you need to create personal branding, personal brand for yourself. Because more the people know you, more you get recognition and more attention you will get. Once you start creating personal brand, your attention span will increase. Your time period of attention will increase. And more the people pay attention to you, you will start creating revenue for yourself. You will set an authority position in the society for yourself, and for that you need to create a personal brand. Now the question arises that who should do personal branding? Either roadside walker can do personal branding or a PM can do personal branding. There is no criteria that who should do or who should not. Anyone can do. A job seeker, entrepreneur, student, homemaker, offline business owners, online business owners, anyone. If I am doing job, then I am able to do personal branding. If I am an entrepreneur, then I am able to do a personal branding for myself. If I am a student, then I am able to do a personal branding for myself. And let's suppose if I start creating personal branding for myself, if I am doing job, then what will I get the benefit of this personal brand? First, more and more people in my own company will recognize me. They will know who Ankit Sharma is. And after creating personal branding, then I have no fear of get rid of my job, because more and more company will know about me, that what Ankit Sharma should do. What is the job of Ankit Sharma? That's personal branding. Because once you create personal branding for yourself, then more and more people, company will know you, and you will get recognition. Your talent, your knowledge will spread all over the world. So that's the importance of personal branding. If you are a student, once you start creating personal branding at the age of student, then it is very easy for you to get a job, and it is also very easy to make a online business for yourself. Start creating a online business for yourself. Okay, now let me give you a stat. That is, in India, 99.6% people are just content consumer. It means they just post from taking from Google or somewhere else. They don't create content. They just copy paste. Content, someone who posted something, they just scroll down on FB, Insta, LinkedIn, and whatever social media you will talk about. There is a lot of difference between content creator and content consumer. Ankit Sharma is a content creator. I'm creating a lot of videos, audios, posts regarding my working, regarding my affiliate marketing. And content consumer is someone who just looking on videos, audios, and they don't take any action to create those stuff. They don't take any action to create post. They just go time pass and on internet. They just scroll down the FB, internet, that Instagram, that's it for themselves. But content creator create videos, audios, post. They do live streaming just like I'm doing right now. In the same way, I'm creating content for myself and for other as well, because if someone wants to know that what is personal branding, then they can just see this video and get some idea. I'm not saying that I'm very good enough in speaking, but at least I'm trying. That's you should do. At least I'm taking action. That's we should all need to do that. And let me give you one more stat, that there are a lot of kind of content, audio, video, photos, pics, that's it. But the most viral or trending content type is video. 82% people in this country, in India, I'm just talking about India, that they are watching video content. Video content, that is reels, video live streams, Instagram live streams, FB live streams, small videos, long videos. They listen more and more videos. Not they are just watching pics. They generate and they want to see more and more videos. So see, 82% people want to watch videos. So you need to take step. You need to take just one step to create videos. Take out your phone, create reels on Instagram, and show that who you are and what you can do. That's what you can able once you start creating personal brand for yourself. The most important thing about personal brand is idea can be copied, product can be copied, services can be copied, but personal brand can't be copied. You can't be copied. Ankit Sharma can't be copied. No one can be copied, because in 136 crore people in India, I am the only one, Ankit Sharma, because I am a different fingerprint. That's it. You can create lot of content for doing personal branding. Idea can be copied, products can be copied, services can be copied, but you can't be copied. Me can't be copied. I can't be copied. No one can copy Ankit Sharma. No one copy my face. No one copied my voice. No one copied my video. That's the interesting part of a personal branding that you should know about personal branding. So I will give you few more benefits about personal branding. It is inexpensive. Inexpensive means you don't need a lot of money to generate personal branding. Why? You just need a mobile and a net. That's it. And you. Three things you want: mobile, internet, and you. I don't think this is expensive. That's why I'm saying is inexpensive. If you are doing a online personal branding, then it is just inexpensive. But if you are developing your pamphlets, if you are doing offline personal marketing, then it is expensive. But if you are doing online, you just need three things, that is mobile, internet, and you. That's it. That's the only thing you need. No location barrier. You can do personal branding from nowhere, from anywhere you can do. From your house, from your garden, from your terrace, anywhere. From USA, from India, from London, anywhere you can do personal branding. There is no location barrier that if I am sitting in this room, then I can only do personal branding for myself from this room only. No. You can do personal branding from anywhere. From top, bottom, middle, anywhere. No location barrier. If I am sitting in Delhi, then I can able to create my personal brand in Mumbai as well, in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu as well. So it's no location barrier for me. If I'm creating my online business in Delhi, so I can successfully run my personal branding, or you can say online business, from Chennai as well. No approval needs. The best part about personal branding is no approval needs. Guess if you are doing a seminar on personal branding, then what kind of things you will need? You need an auditorium, you need people, you need speakers, you need a lot of stuffs, and for all of this, what do you need? Approvals. Approval from government, approval from police, approval from traffic police. So you all need these kind of approvals. But In personal branding, you don't need these kind of things. You just need one person approval, that is you, that is me. If I am able to create live streams, videos, then why you can't? You can as well. So no approval needed. In personal branding, only one person approval is needed, that is you. Long lasting on social media. If I create a video last 4 months back, then that video is still being viewed from the viewers, by the viewers. So no matter what kind of personal branding you are doing, but on social media it will be long last. If you are creating a video 4 months back, after 4 months back, that the same video is being viewed by the viewers. There is no time limit that your content will be there on just this time limit. If you are creating content, it will be long last. The impact is long lasting on social media. Money follow attention. The next benefit of personal branding: money follow attention. The more people will know you, the more and more revenue will generate for yourself. Attention equals to money. So more and more people know you, more and more money will generate by you. If you create a successful personal branding for yourself, then how can you monetize that personal brand? So I give you few ways by which you can monetize your personal branding. The first one is events and seminar. Once you create a personal brand for yourself, then events and personal seminars will call you so that you can speak on the stage and give your knowledge to the people. Programs, you can do your own programs, online webinars, that online web streams, just like I am doing right now. Online courses. If you are good enough in one single thing, then you can make a course on this. You can sell that course and help people as much as you can. You can advise people. Speaking assignment. Let's suppose there is a webinar ongoing in a management issues. So what you can do is you can ask them so that you can speak on that webinar. This is the benefit of personal branding. Merchandising. You can create your own products and sell them to the people for their benefits. Maybe a book, maybe an ebook, and something like that. Merchandising means your own product. Affiliate marketing. If you don't have your own product, then by using personal branding you can promote other companies' product and get a commission from that, and that is known as affiliate marketing, which is I am doing right now. Coaching. Let's suppose you are good at gymming, you are good at nutrition, you are good at physique. Then what you can do is you can give your knowledge to the people, you can help people, and once you start helping people, people will pay you, and that's the way you can monetize your niche. Social media posting. Let's suppose you create yourself a personal brand, but after that, for one simple post on Instagram, you can earn money for yourself. Take an example of Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli earned rupees 3.62 crore rupees per post on Instagram. That's the magic of personal branding. You can do that as well for yourself. Ads. You can run ads for yourself to generate more and more revenue for yourself. And once you create a name for yourself, once you create a face value for yourself, then more and more brands will call you so that you can advertise for themselves as well, so that you can provide value to themselves. So these are the ways by which you can monetize your personal branding. And let me tell you guys that personal branding is not an overnight success. as you all know that Rome is not built in a day. So it takes lots of time to create a personal brand. It not happen in a one day, 1 week, 1 month. It will take lots of years. At least 2 to 3 years. You should need to give yourself 2 to 3 years so that you can able to create a personal brand for yourself. And once you create personal brand for yourself, the impact of that personal brand is long last. You can earn n number of money for yourself. You can help n number of people by your knowledge. But what you need to do is your action. Take action. Because once you start taking action, then only the success will follow you. Then only you will grow. But if you are just watching this video and just forget about this, then this will not help you. I am doing this live stream just because that I want to help people so that they know the value of personal brand. So I'm here to just tell you that why personal brand is important in this digital world. So as I told you that personal brand is not an overnight success. You need to give time, at least 2 years for yourself, so that you can create personal branding for yourself. And once you created personal branding for yourself, you can generate revenue, because attention equals to money. More people will know you, more money will generate for yourself. Now the question arises that how you can build a personal brand. So there are 3 ways to create a personal brand for yourself: videos, audios, and post. And post is a combination of both videos and article as well. But the most effective manner to create personal branding, that is videos. Start recording yourself in camera and uploading on social media so that people will know you more and more. In April, my Instagram follower just 100, but now increased by 330, or you can say 320. That just because of people know you, people know me, that who Ankit Sharma is. So you need to know that in which thing you are best. You are best in audios, you are best in videos, or you are best in posting anything. If you are hesitating in recording videos, so what you can do is record yourself on a recorder, that is audio, and you can do podcast for yourself. I doing podcast for myself a lot, because you don't know from where you can grab people attention, either videos or audios, posting articles. You need to discover n number of ways to get attention of people, but the most effective is videos. Okay, let me tell you that if you create one long video, then you can create 25 short videos from this. And how? You can create 15 reels, that is 15-second videos on Instagram. You can put a small videos just like reels on Instagram, so that you can develop more and more content from just one video. You can create 5 IGTV videos, you can create 5 YouTube videos, and you can create 5 FB videos. And if we combine these numbers, then it will take about 25 videos. From one long video you can create 25 short videos, and you can upload on different kind of social medias. So you need to understand that by just one video you are creating 25 small videos, and those 25 small videos will be viewed by 25,000 people. That's the impact of social media. That's the impact of personal branding. That's the impact of social media, that how you will use that personal brand, how will you use that social media. So now you know that how you can create personal brand for yourself, either creating videos, audios, or posting articles, whatever you're good at. Now the question is, if you are making videos, okay, I am ready that I am going to make videos. Now the question is that what do you speak about? That on which topic you will speak about. So let me give you a clear idea about this. Let's suppose I am an engineer, mechanical engineer, so my expertise is CAD designing. So I am good in CAD designing. If I want to make a video, then I take the topic that is CAD designing. So you need to know about your niche, what you are good at. If I am an engineer, then I'm good in CAD designing software. So I can able to give more and more knowledge about CAD designing software to the people. So I am able to create videos on this topic. If you are good in speaking, then you can creating videos on communication. If you are good in writing, you can give video tips so that people can write articles on that. If you are good in gymming, then you can create video on gymming tips. If you are good in nutrition, then you can create videos on nutrition. So you need to create your nutrition. You need to know that what you are good at. आप किस में अच्छे हो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. If I'm good in cricket, then that's my niche. If I'm good in badminton, then that's my niche. If I'm good in speaking, that's my niche. If I'm good in writing, that's my niche. If I'm good in writing, that's my niche. If I'm good in job, that's my niche. So whatever you are good at, that's your niche. So you get the idea that on which topic you need to work on, you need to make video on. So more and more people will know you, more and more revenue will generate. You get more and more money, more attention, more money. That's the simple fund of personal branding. So you need to know that what you need to do. Take out your phone, record a video, upload on social media. More and people will view that video. That's the magic of personal branding. So now you got the idea that why personal branding, how personal branding, and what is the use of personal branding. Now the question arises that how you can convert your unconventional niche. Unconventional niche, that is mechanical, electrical, production, jobs, homemaker. If you are a housewife, then how can you create your personal brand? Let's suppose you are good at sewing anything. So you can create a video on making something decorative vase or something like that. If you are good in cooking, then you can make videos on cooking. Then that's how you can create your personal brand. That's the way you can create your personal brand for yourself. Let's suppose you are a pregnant woman. You are not able to going for a job, but still you can earn money for yourself. How? By personal brand. If you are good in speaking, so you can record your voice, you can record your face on video cam, so that you can upload that on social media, and people will know you that who are you and what you are able to do. And by using that, people will approach you and ask from you that, okay, tell me what you will do and how can I am able to do that. So by after this you can charge from those people, and you will give more and more values to the people, so that you can able to generate revenues from them as well. So the content, let's suppose you create one big video on YouTube, let's suppose 45 minutes. So from that 45-minute video you can create different kind of small videos, 15-second videos. Let's suppose you can create 20 small videos, 15-second videos, that is reels on Instagram. Let's suppose you can create 4 IGTV videos 10 minutes. You can create 3 FB videos 15 minutes. So from long video you can create different kind of content on different kind of social media. So that's the power of social media, but you just need to know that how you can able to use that. Multiply your content. Let's suppose I'm just doing this live stream on Instagram, but after doing this live stream I can able upload this video on YouTube, on FB. So that's the multiplying my content. I'm just doing my 40 to 45 minutes video on this in this Instagram, but after this I can upload on YouTube, LinkedIn, FB, so more and more people will know me, that who is Ankit Sharma is, and what I am doing. So till now I am just telling about niche, but now after that I am going to tell you about sub niches. If I'm an engineer, that's my niche. I'm an engineer, that's my niche. But my sub niche is I'm a designer. I'm a SPM designer. I'm a jigs designer. I'll develop machines for automation, for packaging. That's my niche. If I'm good in SolidWorks, CATIA, that's my sub niche. If I can create my videos on CATIA, SolidWorks, and NSCAD, that's my sub niche. So that I can generate my revenue for myself. So that I can teach people more and more. I can teach softwares to the students as well. So that's my sub niche. So till now I tell that what is personal brand, how, when, and but now the strategies, that what are the strategies you need to follow for a personal brand. Live streams, the best way to engage with your audience, that is live streams. That is just like what I'm doing right now. Instagram, YouTube, FB, LinkedIn, whatever social media you are on, just take out your phone, do a live stream with your audience so that people know you more and more. Share articles. If you are good in writing anything, share your articles on ShareSlide, Wikipedia, blogging. Those are the few things you can do on writing. Stories. Okay, here's the interesting fact that if I post one image on my post and that's the same image on my story, you will tell me that on which thing I will get more views, on post or on stories. The answer is stories, because stories are more powerful than posts. So I got more and more views on my stories rather than post. So start creating stories for yourself. Start creating reels for yourself and upload that reels on stories as well. Because if the person not liking your post, it doesn't mean that he is not viewing. If you post that same on stories, he or she will see that. That's the power of stories. Engage with people. If you are uploading a story, then ask questions from people. That's the way to engage from your audience. Let's suppose if you ask any question, agree or disagree, something like that, any poll you can do, any like, dislike, comments you can do. You can ask, comment on my video, you can ask, like my content. So these are the ways so that you can engage with your people, your target audience. Testimonials. Testimonial is one thing when you are giving something to people and they are benefited by that your services, then you can ask from those people so that you can upload those videos on your Instagram so that more and more people know about that what service you are providing and how the other people are benefited by your service. That's the testimonials. FB groups. You can go live, you can do post on FB groups, because more and more FB groups you will join, more and more attention you will get. 3 post daily on Instagram. If that's the strategies. If you want to develop a personal brand, you can post 3 posts on Instagram, not on the same time. That is 1 in the morning, 2nd in the afternoon, and 3rd on the midnight. That's the way you can post your post on Instagram. 1 video on FB page. On every weekend you can go live on FB, on YouTube. So these are the strategies by which you can create a personal brand for yourself. And how personal brand is powerful, let me give you a clear idea. Virat Kohli, you all know Virat Kohli, but you don't know that how much he will charge for a single Instagram post. That is 3.62 crore rupees. That's the way to create a personal brand. And I will tell you guys that personal brand is not just a spoon feeding. You need to give time for yourself. You need to give the time to create personal brand for yourself. You need to give at least 2 to 3 years, 3 years for you, so that you can create personal brand. But once that personal brand is created, you will create endless wealth for yourself. You will create endless revenue for yourself. But for that, you need to give your time. So guys, in this live stream, I told you about personal branding. What is personal branding? Why personal branding? How personal branding? How you can create personal brand for yourself? What are the monetizing way by personal branding? And guys, please like this video and share if you can, because by this video the people will know about personal branding, the importance of personal branding. So more and more people know about personal branding, the more and more action will take. So start taking action, because you got a limited time span for yourself. You got a limited life for yourself, and you need to live to the fullest. And how you can live to the fullest? Just increasing yourself. Earn money for yourself, not for yourself, not for your parents, for your brother, for your sister, anyone, for yourself. Enjoy the life to the fullest. Do whatever you want to do. Take actions, because the person who take action will go far away from you if someone is not taking action. So from this end, I'm taking leave. This is Ankit Sharma. I hope you like this live stream, and please like this live stream. Thank you.